Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wondered how to really understand what's happening on your Squarespace site, who's visiting, what they're doing, and how your sales are performing, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently navigate the Squarespace 7.1 Analytics dashboard, interpret its data, and make smarter decisions to help your website grow. Let's dive in right away. First, you will want to head over to your Squarespace account and access your site. Once you're logged in and on your site's dashboard, find the left sidebar menu. Look for the tab labeled Analytics. Click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Visiting the Analytics section is like stepping into the control room of your website. Here, you get a bird's eye view of how visitors are interacting with your content and your store. Now, inside the Analytics dashboard, you'll notice three main sections: traffic, engagement, and sales. Each gives you a focused look at your website's performance. So let's take our time and break down each part. Let's start with traffic. This area tells the story of how people find your website. Under traffic, you'll see things like traffic sources, search keywords, and geography. Traffic sources reveal where your visitors are coming from. Did they click through from Instagram, search Google for your business, or perhaps come directly from a newsletter link? Understanding this helps you know what's working in your marketing efforts and where you might want to invest more energy. If you see that most visitors come from organic search, maybe it's time to expand your blog. If referrals from social media are strong, perhaps double down on Instagram updates. Next up are search keywords. This section shows you the words and phrases people are typing into search engines to find your site. It's a bit like detective work, uncovering what's bringing folks to your pages. If you notice certain keywords pop up often, consider optimizing your site's content to match those interests. And then there's geography, which paints a picture of where your visitors are located around the world. If most of your traffic is local, maybe focus promotions on your area. If you're getting international attention, it might inspire you to add shipping options. Right below the traffic section is engagement, which really shows you how visitors are interacting with your content. Here, you'll find details like site content, activity log, form and button conversion, site search keywords, and RSS subscribers. Let's pause here for a moment because these tools are essential for understanding how engaged your visitors are. Site content tracks your most viewed pages. This info can help you spot your star pages and also flag ones that need more attention. The activity log is a running history of actions taken on your site, kind of like watching footprints in digital sand. If you ever wonder when something changed or want to trace a hiccup, this log is for you. Form and button conversion shows the rate at which people complete forms or click important buttons on your site. For example, if you have a Contact Us form or a Sign Up button, this tells you if visitors are taking those actions. If your numbers are low, maybe tweak your wording or make the call to action more prominent. Site search. Keywords tells you what people are searching for within your site, which can highlight gaps in your offerings or prompt new blog posts. And those RSS subscribers? That's your loyal following who want to get every single update. Lastly, we come to sales. If you're running an online store, this section is absolutely vital. Under sales, you'll see overall sales numbers, sales by product, purchase funnel, and abandoned cart data. Sales provides a snapshot of your store's performance, while sales by product helps you identify which items are hot sellers and which may need a little promotional love. The purchase funnel visually tracks how visitors move from browsing to buying. If you notice people dropping off partway, maybe simplify checkout or offer a limited time discount. Abandoned cart shows who added products to their cart but never checked out. Don't worry if this number's high, it's very common. But it's also a big opportunity. Consider sending reminder emails or adding a free shipping offer. So, as you can see, Squarespace Analytics isn't just a bunch of charts and numbers. It's a toolkit for understanding your audience, fine-tuning your content, and boosting your sales. Take some time to explore these sections and don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. With regular check-ins, you'll start to see patterns that help you make better decisions for your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable Squarespace tips just like this. And if you have any questions or there's a particular feature you want to learn more about, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.